Hello. Today we will study can, could, may, might. Can, could, may, might as a modal verbs. In earlier video we studied will, would, shall, should. So today our topic is can, could, may, might. Let us start. Can is used for all persons in the present tense. We use can for all persons in present tense. Could is used for all persons in the past tense. Could is used for all persons in the past tense. Use of can. Number 1, we use can for permission. We use can for permission. For example, you can go now. You can go now. Taking permission. You cannot touch it. It means you are not permitted to touch the things. You cannot touch it. You can go now. Permission, when we give permission, then we say you can go now. Permission is given. You cannot touch it. Ability. Can be used for ability also. I can swim. It means I have ability and I can swim. Next, he can speak German. He can speak German means German language. Possibility. We use can for possibility. Anyone can do mistake. Anyone can do mistake. It means possibility is there. At that time we use can modal verb. Next is cannot help. When we write cannot help in negative, can in negative form with help as an idiom, the meaning is cannot avoid. Cannot help means cannot avoid the things. For example, he had a bad cold. He cannot avoid sneezing. He cannot avoid sneezing. Cannot help as an idiom, when we use as a modal verb as an idiom, it means cannot avoid the things. So the example is he had a bad cold. He cannot avoid sneezing. Next we take could, where we use could as a modal verb in ability, in permission, possibility, polite request. We use could as a modal verb in ability when we show the ability. When permission, we take permission, give or take permission. Possibility is there. Polite request is there. For example, for ability, I could swim when I was younger. I could swim. It is showing the ability. It means when he was younger, he was able to swim. He could swim. Was able to swim. Both are same. He could swim. I could swim when I was younger. This sentence is showing ability. So could is written here. Could is the past of can. Next, we could go out whenever we wanted. Permission. When we talk about permission, at that time we write in past tense, we could go out whenever we wanted. Next we take for possibility. Possibility is there in past tense. How to write it? If we had the money, we could buy that house. Possibility is there. If we had the money, we could buy that house. So, and could we use for polite request also. So polite request we can say, could you lend me some money? Could you lend me some money? So these type of sentences we take in could, ability, permission, possibility, polite request. I am again recalling use of can. We use can for permission. You can go now. You can go now. It means giving the permission to go. You cannot touch it. You are not permitted to touch it. So you cannot touch it. Ability. We use for ability also. I can swim. He can speak German. I can speak English. I can speak Hindi. So this type of sentences we take in ability. Possibility is there. Anyone can do mistake. Anyone can jump from this wall. Anyone can do mistakes. Cannot help as an idiom. When we write cannot help as an idiom, the meaning is cannot avoid the things. Sometimes things are not in our limit, they are out of our limit. At that time we write cannot avoid. He had a bad cold. He cannot avoid sneezing. Next we take could. I could swim when I was younger. It shows the ability. This sentence shows the ability in past tense. We could go out whenever we wanted. Permission. This sentence shows permission in past tense with the could. If we had the money, we could buy that house. Possibility in past. And for polite request, we can say, could you lend me some money? Could you lend me some money? For polite request, could you lend me some money? Question mark. Could you lend me some money? We write for polite request also. Now next we take may, might. May is used for all persons. As we use can for all person, could for all person, may is also used for all person of the present tense. In present tense we use may with all persons. Might is used for all person of the past. Might is the past of may, so it is used in past tense, and may is used in present tense with all persons. Use of may. Permission. When we take permission, at that time we say, we use or we say may as a modal verb. You may go. You may go. I may go. May, when we take a question, may I use your pen? When we take permission to other person, may I use your pen? And might I use your pen? When there is a slight possibilities are there, hesitations are there, at that time we use might, because might is more hesitated than the may. So very light also. May I use your pen is showing the hesitation. In this line we are sometimes hesitate to ask somebody. At that time we use may I use your pen. Possibility is there. When possibility is there, at that time we use the may also, might also. Sometimes may use for possibility, might for less possibility also, you can understand. It may rain. It may rain. He may come today. He may come today. It might rain today. Doubt is there, and less possibility is also there. Less possibility, when less possibility is there, less permission is there, hesitation is there, at that time we use might. It might rain today. Means less possibility is there, doubt is there, it may rain, it might rain or not. Next we take for wish. When we talk about wish, may he live long, sign of exclamation. Always put sign of exclamation when we write may he live long, sign of exclamation. God give you long life. May she have good health, a sign of exclamation, sign of exclamation. When we write this sentence with may for wish, always put sign of exclamation at the last. Next we take permission. He said that I might borrow your cycle. Permission. When we take permission in the past, in past we write might. So less possibilities are there at that time. So he is saying in the past tense, he said that I might borrow your cycle. Hesitation is also there. Possibilities are less. So that I might borrow your cycle. Next, possibility in the past. He thought that I might like it. he thought that I might like it. Less possibility. Dinesh said that he might go abroad next week. This means possibilities are there, but less possibilities are. Dinesh said that he might go abroad next week. These all sentences are in past tense and shows the might always shows the less possibility, less permission, doubt is there. That's why we write in might in past tense also. It is always used in past tense. Again I am recalling, may is used for all persons of the present tense and might is used for all person in the past tense. Use of may for permission. When we take permission, we ask, may I come in, sir? May I go, sir? You may go now. May I use your pen? Might I use your pen? Here might is past, so here hesitation, showing the hesitation also, less possibility also, so might I use pen. Possibility, it may rain. Possibility is there, it may rain. Use when may as a possibility. He may come today. It might rain today. It might show the doubt. It might be or not. Doubt is there. It might rain today or not. It might rain today. When we write sentence for wish or any wishes, may he live long, may God bless you. At that time in last we write sign of exclamation. May she have good health. Sign of exclamation. Always put sign of exclamation after writing sentence of may. When wish is there. Permission is there. Permission in the might sense. He said that I might borrow your cycle. He is taking permission. Possibility. Less possibilities are there. Less permissions are there. He thought that I might like it. Dinesh said that he might go abroad next week. So these are the modal verbs of can and could, may and might. I hope you all will like this. Thank you.